Hello students, we will continue today. Today we have gone through force and pressure. Today we will continue this chapter. Next is types of forces. As you know, lot of types of forces are there, such as written here muscular force, frictional force, magnetic force, electrostatic force, gravitational force, etc. All these forces are categorized in two parts. First one is contact force and second one is non-contact force. Contact force, as it is very much clear by its name, when two bodies are in touch, in contact, force applied between them is known as contact force. Force applied between two bodies when they are in contact is known as contact force. Contact force, muscular force is the example of contact force. Muscular force, force applied by the muscles. Second, frictional force. It is also contact force. First, we will go through muscular force. We are applying our muscles for force, that is muscular force. The example of muscular force is weight lifting. While you are lifting something, you are applying your muscular force. Wrestling, you've seen wrestling, it requires muscular force. Car pulling by horse, cart pulling by horse. Horse is pulling a cart by applying the muscular force. So these are a few examples of muscular force, and go through the figure. Here a man is lifting weight. This is the example of muscular force, and here these two people are wrestling, fighting, pushing each other by applying the muscular force. Next is frictional force. What is frictional force? It always apply on the moving object and it always opposes the motion. You can see here it always opposes the motion. Figure, to go through the figure, you can see there is a car. It is pushed by a man and then it is left. After a few seconds it stops. What is the reason? The reason is frictional force applied by the earth's surface to stop this object. Second, you can see there is a ball. A boy is kicking the ball start moving and it stops after few seconds. How it happens? Due to frictional force. The force applied by the surface itself to stop these objects. So this is contact force. Is it? Magnetic force, muscular force, frictional force, and their figure. Come to the next. Non-contact force. Non-contact force, when two bodies are not in contact, from apart, from a distance, force is applied from one body to other and then it is attracted, is known as force of non-contact force. Force applied between two bodies when they are apart from each other. Two bodies are apart, force between them is known as non-contact force. Under non-contact force, these three are the example. Magnetic force is non-contact force because we all know and you have already studied in your earlier classes. While you are applying a magnet, bringing near to the magnetic substances like iron pins, you are not making it contact. From apart, pins are pulled by the magnet. It is due to non-contact force. Second, electrostatic force. Electrostatic force, electrically charged bodies. The force between two electrically charged bodies. We have also gone through this type of forces. While we are rubbing ruler, plastic ruler, and bringing near to the small pieces of paper, then paper are attracted by the ruler. This is non-contact force example, and this is also electrostatic force, is it? You can go through the magnetic force. Here I have drawn a magnet and few iron pins are there. A magnet is attracting the iron pins from apart. Second, electrostatic force, force of attraction between two charged bodies. You can see here I have drawn a figure, ruler, plastic ruler. First we have to rub it with our hair or any cloth and then bring near to the small pieces of paper. What do we find? The plastic ruler attract all the small pieces of paper. It is due to electrostatic force. While you are rubbing this ruler, it is electrically charged and then it start pulling the pieces of paper from apart. Here also we don't have to touch, from apart we have to apply this. Third one is gravitational force. We all know gravitational force. Roughly you know about force of gravity and gravitational force. These two are different things. But here we have included both. Force of gravity is the force applied by the earth to other objects. That is also non-contact force. Because if you drop a ball from here, it is attracted by the earth. It can't go away due to non-contact force. But gravitational force, force between any two objects in the universe. Your body, my body, both are standing nearby. Then both our bodies are applying the force to pull each other. That is gravitational force. Mainly this force is applied, or better example are the planets. Our planets applying force to each other. Here I have drawn a figure. Earth and this is moon. Both are applying the force to each other. This is gravitational force because both are the heavenly bodies in the space. The force applied between two heavenly bodies in the space is known as gravitational force, and it is the example of non-contact force. So on the whole, force and pressure, types of forces, especially two types: contact force, non-contact force. Under contact force, example is muscular force, frictional force. And here you can go through all these figures. It make the concept clear if you will go through the figures. Other one is non-contact force. Example of non-contact force are magnetic force, electrostatic force and gravitational force. These three. And also go through all these figures, you will find that they are the non-contact force. This is all about the types of force. Next we will come to next chapter, next topic, next time. Till then, go through this, learn properly. Till then, goodbye.